Do you feel like you're constantly running, trying to do it all even in retirement? Like there's a pressure to keep busy, to prove something, or to chase opportunities. And yet somehow it never quite feels like it's enough. If that's you, I want you to pause for a moment. You're not alone. I've been there too. That feeling that you have to keep up, even though your heart is craving rest. Today I'm sharing how Psalm 23 captures exactly how I want to live out my selective retirement, including my exploration of digital marketing and how trusting God can lead to peace, purpose, and even income without hustle. Hi, I'm Carol, and as a Christian, it's my desire to glorify God and to lead an intentional life. You might feel the same way. That's why I feel called to empower women of faith, reminding you to put God and His kingdom first, and trusting Him to guide you and to provide for your needs and the needs of others. I'll show you how to create mostly passive income streams, and mostly online. No hustle required, just rest and trust. Let's be honest, the world tells us we should be hustling. Always moving, always grinding, always chasing. Even in retirement, that pressure can sneak in. I've seen so many women over 50, full of experience and wisdom, feel like they have to prove themselves again, start something new, learn the latest tools, keep up with the younger entrepreneurs. But here's the truth. Chasing, rushing, or forcing things doesn't bring lasting peace. It doesn't bring clarity, and it doesn't bring the kind of joy God wants for us. Psalm 23 comes like a whisper. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Or in some versions, the Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. The problem with hustle is that we become so busy trying to achieve more that as women of faith, we forget that we have a shepherd who cares for us and provides for us all we need, so that we want for nothing. There is no lack. Have you eaten today? Are you wearing clothes? Do you have somewhere to sleep tonight? The Lord is our shepherd. If you find this message encouraging, will you take a moment to hit the like button? It helps this video reach more women who are ready to trade hustle for peace and find purpose in this new season of life. Psalm 23 is familiar, isn't it? It's one of the well-known chapters in the Bible. Even non-Christians who've been to more than 3 funerals in North America are familiar with it. It's often quoted at the bedside of someone who's dying. I remember hearing it in those sacred moments with my late husband, and those words still bring comfort to my heart today. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. But Psalm 23 is not just for those who are dying and those who are mourning. It reminds me that I don't have to hustle. I don't have to push, chase, or control every outcome. If the Lord is guiding my steps, I can follow His lead, even when exploring something new, like selective retirement or digital marketing projects. So today I want to share 3 lessons from Psalm 23 that are transforming my approach. Rest, peace, and trust. The exact opposite of the hustle. The first lesson is rest. He makes me lie down in green pastures. Sometimes God requires us to slow down. For me, there were moments when I thought I had to learn everything at once. All the tech, all the tools, and all the strategies, or I'd miss the boat. But God gently reminded me, rest first, learn step by step, trust me. Life isn't about doing everything, it's about making intentional choices. You rest, you reflect, and you move forward, but from a place of renewal, not exhaustion. Take a moment to ask yourself today, Where might God be asking me to rest before rushing ahead? The second lesson is peace. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. God leads us gently, often in ways we wouldn't expect. For me, moving into a selective retirement and digital marketing felt exciting, but intimidating. But as I slowed down, prayed, and let God guide my decisions, I noticed clarity and peace coming before every step. Beside still waters, there is no fear, no doubt, no scarcity, no limitation, and no lack. Digital marketing is not just about what's trending or what others are doing. It's also about following the shepherd's path. What would change if peace, not panic or pressure, guided your next retirement decision or online project? Feel free to pause the video and write it in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Before sharing the next lesson, I'd like to share a bit about the digital marketing journey that I'm on. And you know, when God plants a new dream in your heart, He also equips you to step into it, even if it looks completely different than before. Prior to selling my business, I decided I wanted to invest some of the funds into creating passive income streams that would provide additional income for retirement travel and to be able to bless others. I came across a digital marketing program that has taught me step by step through videos how to market a product. The product could be your own creation or a done-for-you solution. I've learned how to set up a capture page, an email sequence, and sales automation. Yes, people of all ages are doing this. I have access to tech support 24/7 and am a member of a greater community supporting each other. If you'd like a free copy of my Freedom Formula Blueprint, yes, the same one I'm using, you can grab it from the link in the description below. Now on to lesson 3, trust. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. Hustle says we have to chase opportunities, make everything happen. God says goodness follows those who trust Him. In my own journey, opportunities came, whether through digital marketing connections, hosting students, or volunteering, not because I forced them, but because I followed His lead. You don't have to chase. Goodness can find you when your heart is aligned with God's path. So how does this work in practical terms for your future? Step 1, rest and reflect. Don't jump at every trend. Step 2, follow the peace God gives you. Let Him lead your decisions, from smaller projects to bigger steps. Step 3, trust that provision and goodness will follow when your actions are faith-led. Life isn't about doing everything. It's about choosing projects like digital marketing that give you purpose, flexibility, and even income, but from a place of peace, not pressure. So let's recap. Peace over panic, trust over toil, and rest over rush. Psalm 23 reminds us that we don't have to hustle. We just need to follow the shepherd. If you're tired of hustle and this message has encouraged you, hit the subscribe button for future encouraging teachings. We're walking the peaceful path together. I want to leave you with this affirmation. I trust the shepherd who knows where I'm going, even when I can't see the path. In this video, I shared how Psalm 23 has taught me to trust God with my retirement journey, and how peace, purpose, and even income can flow when we follow His lead. In the next video, I'll share 3 surprisingly simple ideas about how to turn your life experience into income. Thank you for being here and for walking this faith-filled journey with me. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, may you rest in the shepherd's care.